Hey there, money-minded mavens! Welcome back to Financial Thinking, where we bring you the juiciest tips and tricks to boost your bank account. Today, we've got something truly special for you. Are you ready to turn your passion into profit? Buckle up, because we're about to dive into the world of savvy side hustles. Picture this, doing what you love and making money from it. It's like having your cake and eating it too. Well, folks, that's the magic of turning your passion into profit. So, grab your entrepreneurial spirit, because we're about to embark on a wild ride of money-making ideas that'll make you say, "Why didn't I think of that?" All right, folks, let's kick things off with a classic that never gets old, selling your handmade crafts. Are you a master of crocheting adorable animal hats or creating stunning jewelry? Well, why not turn that talent into cold, hard cash? Start by setting up your online store on platforms like Etsy or Shopify and watch the orders come pouring in. Just remember, creativity is your secret sauce. Now, for our next hustle, we're going to tap into the digital realm. Brace yourselves for the exciting world of content creation. Are you a whiz with words, a camera wizard, or a tech guru? YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok are your playgrounds, my friends. Share your knowledge, entertain the masses, and before you know it, you'll have brand partnerships knocking at your virtual door. Get ready to turn those likes into dollar signs. Now that you've got your creative juices flowing, let's explore another fantastic side hustle: teaching your skills online. Are you an expert in playing the guitar, painting breathtaking landscapes, or even cooking up a storm in the kitchen? Well, why not share your expertise with the world and make some dough while you're at it? Platforms like Udemy or Skillshare allow you to create and sell your own online courses. It's like being a rock star instructor in your pajamas. Let's step outside the digital world for a moment and explore the great outdoors. Have you ever considered starting your own gardening or landscaping business? Imagine transforming barren backyards into lush green paradises, or creating beautiful flower arrangements that make hearts bloom. With a little bit of sweat and a whole lot of green thumbs, you can turn Mother Nature's gifts into a thriving side hustle. Okay, folks, let's have a moment of truth here. Side hustles can be a lot of work. It's like having an entire circus to manage, but without the fancy outfits. So, remember, it's crucial to choose side hustles that align with your skills and interests. Find that sweet spot where passion meets profitability, and you'll be one happy hustler. Before we wrap things up, I want to leave you with this nugget of wisdom. Turning your passion into profit isn't just about the money. It's about living a life filled with purpose and fulfillment. So go ahead, dream big, hustle harder, and let the world see the extraordinary talent that resides within you. That's a wrap, my savvy side hustlers. Remember, the only limits are the ones you set for yourself. Keep hustling, and I'll catch you in the next video.